And the Reggae Girlz' historic achievement on Saturday is just the first step to achieving greater things in the women's game, according to some local football coaches. TVJ Sports caught up with a few at the Gibson Cup at Kingston College on Saturday. And while there is happiness, there is no limit for the team ranked 43rd in the FIFA rankings.
It's an elated feeling to know that we've gotten our first win at the World Cup. It's all possibilities now for us. We play Brazil last in a must-win match for both teams. A draw can carry us through, but I'm sure we'll be going for the 3 points. Very much so. To be there for the second time, we keep making history, and we'll continue again. We'll beat Brazil.
Well, as a country, we want to congratulate them. As an individual, I must say that I'm really proud. Winning a game at a World Cup is phenomenal. It's something that, not anybody can achieve. And for us to achieve even a score like a goal, it is great for us. And I just want to commend the girls, commend the coaching staff, the management team, and the whole JFA for, behind these girls. And I just want to say, congrats.
The sky's the limit. Just here with us, the performance, the courage, the work rate, everything comes together, and once they give their best, we as a country must be pleased. I'm very pleased for us as a country. You can see the growth in the Reggae Girlz, and we just want each coach to play their part with the local players and help the team to get better.